Today we're going to make this easy reindeer do-it-yourself card craft.
For today's craft, all you need is scissors, a pencil, a black marker, crayon, or pencil crayon. Oh, and you need a brown marker, crayon, or pencil crayon. Here is my brown here. Like I said, you could use a marker as well. Doesn't matter, marker, crayon, pencil crayon, you decide. And you are going to need a brown piece of paper. This is a big one. You don't need it to be this big. You're going to need pom-pom for the nose, or you could use tissue paper. And I have tiny little pom-poms here as well. And if you don't have those, you could also use tissue paper and some googly eyes. Now googly eyes are a little bit bigger, so my card will be a little bit bigger. If you have tiny googly eyes and a tiny pom-pom, then you can make your card smaller. It's up to you. Go ahead. Did I say we needed glue? I can't remember, but we need glue. Go ahead, grab your supplies, and let's get started. So this craft is easy to make to fit whatever supplies you have. And because I have googly eyes this size, I want my card to kind of match the size of my eyes. So this piece of paper is too large. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold it over and make a fold line right here. And that fold line is a cut line. That just enables me to cut in a nice straight line because I don't need this whole piece of paper. And I'm going to save half of it either to make another one or to make a whole nother craft. Then what I want to do is I'm going to take my piece of paper, long side left to right, short side top to bottom, and I'm going to fold it again. And I'm going to see, do I like this size? If I put this on here and these, I feel like it's still too big. So all I'm going to do is trim it a little bit. I'm going to trim it because I think it's too long here. So I could either draw a line or fold it to trim it to give me that nice cut line. And I think it's too wide here, so I'm going to fold it again to make it even smaller. Now I'm folding at the open part, not at the closed part, because otherwise my card will be cut right off. And then I think I have what I need. I like this size for my pom-pom and for the size of my eyes. So I think this is good for me. You get yours the way that you would like it for your supplies, and then we'll get started. Okay, my card is ready to go. I'm going to take my pom-pom first. And I'm going to put quite a bit of glue on this pom-pom because I want it to stick. And I'm going to find the middle and then jump down just a little bit. So I don't want it to go too close to the top because I need to draw my antlers. So I'm going to move, actually, so there's the middle. Maybe I go about 3/4 down. Can you see that? Then I'm going to glue my googly eyes. Now, if you don't have a pom-pom, you can use tissue paper. If you don't have googly eyes, no problem. All you could do is take some white paper, cut out 2 circles, and draw 2 black pupils inside. I'm going to glue one, then the other. Then what I'm going to do is take my black marker crayon or pencil crayon, and underneath I'm going to draw a smile. So just a curved line and a curved line on each side if you want. You don't have to. Then I'm going to use my pencil to draw my antlers. So I'm going to start my eye and just jump up a little bit. When I draw my antlers, there's no right or wrong, but I'm just going to draw a kind of a curved line up to the corner. Do the other side, curved line up to the corner. Then I'm going to jump here and do a curved line, jump up here and maybe do a curved line, and the other side as well, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same. And once I like them, then I'm going to use my crayon or my marker and trace over top of them. I'm going to try a marker today and see how that works. There we go. Whoops, you can see I didn't quite trace on that, and that's okay. You can see a little bit of pencil there. So, I don't even know if I have an eraser on this one, but I can try and erase that. There we go. Then I'm going to take all my little tiny pom-poms, and if you don't have them, you could use tissue paper, or you could just use little circles and put them on, and I'm just going to decorate my antlers with them. There's no right or wrong, just decorate the way you like. You don't have to use the same colors I have. This looks like little lights on the antlers. I've used 4 on each side, but you decide. And ta-da! You have the cutest little card, and then you're ready for the inside. If you want to put a message on the inside, it can be whatever you would like. I'm just going to write Merry Christmas on mine. And there you go. If you like this craft, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.